Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you enjoyed the last one. If you have not checked it out and don't know what I'm talking about, then just go back, or I'll put it in a link in the description box so you stay tuned with all the happenings, because I did a review on Skylar and the Grill. Today we are going to be talking about HYATT ZIVA / ZILARA Hotel in Mobay, and why I think you guys should book your stay when you come to Jamaica. Or if you're a Jamaican local, I think you guys should go there, because it is one of my top hotels to stay when I'm in the area, so it should be yours too. So here are the reasons I have to stay at that beautiful 5-star hotel. So first and foremost, I want to say that the aesthetics are out of this world. It is a beautiful property. It spans HYATT ZILARA and HYATT ZIVA. HYATT ZIVA is for adults only, and HYATT ZILARA is for children. It's quite family friendly and all that good stuff. But because I am a lover of pretty things, I can tell you that the aesthetics are up there. So all you content creators, all you YouTubers, all you bloggers, all you people of cute things and decor, this is the place for you. It is a great hotel for persons who just want to get away and show that you did get away, because did it really happen if you didn't take a picture, right? So guys, if you want to know that it is aesthetically pleasing to the eye and it will give you all the likes on Instagram, then this is the hotel to stay at. Just saying. Secondly, I want to talk about the liquor and the food. If you are a good foodie like me, because I love food, I kid you not, so you have nothing to worry about when you're there. Spend your cha-ching and you want to go to a place that you can enjoy the food, and not to mention top shelf liquor. The alcohol keeps running and it's not weak, so bring your what you call it, hydration salts, bring your hangover kit, because it is the place to be when you want a liquor strong and the good vibes there. And the best thing about it is that they remember your liquor, they remember if you're a lightweight or you can handle your liquor, and they even say, oh, you want to try this? Bet you're going to like it, man. So I'm all for that. It was a big thumbs up for me when the food and the liquor was just saying one. You spend your money, so you want to enjoy yourself to the fullest, and food is a big contributing factor in that. Can I get an amen? Tying into the food, the restaurants are very diverse. I mean, the property is quite large, so you have quite a bit of restaurants. I personally didn't even go to all of them because there were so many, and you do have to make reservations, and some restaurants are open and some are closed at certain times, so you have to keep in mind that. If you want Asian, if you want Italian, if you want steakhouse, if you want international, if you want American, if you want desserts by itself or a cafe by itself, everything is offered on the property. You lack nothing. Okay, so bring your eating pants, guys. Bring your eating pants. That's all I have to say. Activities are endless. They curate activities so that you can enjoy yourself to the fullest. Like, they really have no time for you to sleep. If you are a day person that loves sun and activities, run up and down, boom flick on your head, they have activities for you. If you want to stay by the pool, if you want to go to the beach, if you want to stay under the patio, they have activities for you. If you are more of a night owl, they have clubbing, they have silent parties, they have every single thing that you could possibly need. They have festivals where you have all the cuisine in one place and you can enjoy that. So there's really no time for you to be bored. I I honestly had to say, you know what, I'm going to go to my bed and get some sleep because I am an early bird. I'm not really the night owl. But like I said, there are activities for everybody. So I loved that. The place is so big that it kind of looks like there are not a lot of people there. Mind you that the place is not at full capacity because of COVID and everything, but I can safely say that it does not infringe on you being socially distant. It does infringe on your space because you still have like a whole heap of space where that's concerned. So socially distant is not a thing. You don't have to be looking at nobody weird. You can enjoy yourself knowing that everywhere is sanitized, everywhere is COVID safe, and you can be in your little own space with your friend, with your family member, with your significant other, and not worry about somebody right beside you. It doesn't feel crowded at any point in time, even by the pool, because there are so many pools there for you to access. You have the side of the HYATT ZIVA and you have the side of the ZILARA. You have the beach access. It's a long stretch of beach, so all of that works in your favor when it comes to the fact that the place is so big that it's not crowded. So that's a big plus for me. Customer service, listen, they go above and beyond. Like I said, with the liquor and the food, they do watch what you drink or how you drink it or how you like your things. And you know, if you're the one to explore things, they will tell you to try a cocktail that they specially made for you. Even though they say it to everybody, you do feel special, as well as, you know, they just try to facilitate you and make you as comfortable as possible. And I have not had a bad experience from any of the staff. Because you know, you can say, oh, it's not standardized because everybody is different and personalities are different. I can't say that. Everybody was same, good smile. Everybody tried to help you the best way they can, and they go above and beyond for your needs, which is a big thing. Because like I said, you spend your dinero, you spend your money, come there, so you might as well be doted on. They're very COVID compliant. They ensure that the whole place is sanitized to the point where it smells like disinfectant 3/4 of the time. I'm joking, but once you air it out, it's fine, okay? But yes, it's COVID compliant. They put it on their website, they put it in their terms when you're checking in. They ensure that the place is deep cleaned every time. You have people walking around disinfecting the beach things. You see them disinfecting the pool chairs. There's some seals on the room, there's seals on the toilet, there's seals everywhere. They make sure that they bag and seal like the remotes and stuff, so you don't have to worry when it comes to that. You can be COVID safe because it's a big thing in the minds of everyone when trying to book a place to stay for long term or short term. It's very COVID compliant, and they take their time to ensure that you guys feel safe. Alright guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this changes your decision. I mean, if you were on the fence about it, I hope you're booking HYATT ZIVA or ZILARA right now, because you know you're gonna have a great time even during COVID, because COVID is not gonna get us today. We're gonna enjoy the vacation. And when I say this is one of the top hotels to book in Jamaica, you should book it. Okay guys, so to my newbies, if you have not subscribed already, please press the subscribe button, and if you are my OG subscriber, welcome back, lovies. I'm really excited for you to see more content that I have in store. So like I said guys, enjoy the reasons I have, because more reasons are coming up with another hotel, but I'm not going to tell you what hotel it is right now. See you in the next video. Bye. Where you